Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to swathiganeshscreations. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how to make eco-friendly Ganesha using turmeric powder and wheat flour. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. For this DIY, you will need 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of turmeric, some oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar and some water. So we have to mix wheat flour, turmeric, water and some oil, and the batter should look like this. So after that, I am going to start making Ganesha. I am going to take a plate on which I am going to place my Ganesha. So I am just taking a steel plate here. So I am just going to make first the base. So if you see any cracks, you can use water to adjust it. First I am going to make the legs of Ganesha. Now I am going to make the lower body of Ganesha. So we need to join the body and legs. So I am just using water here to join them together. Now I am going to make upper body of Ganesha. Now I am going to make the head of Ganesha. So now I am going to make hands for Ganesha. So in one hand I am going to place kolukattai, which will be like a laddu in white color. So I am just going to place that in one hand. I am just adding a chain here. I am just using a thread here, and then I am attaching the trunk to the face with the help of water like this, and then I am just going to make kiritam for Ganesha. Just making eyebrows for Ganesha. Now I am going to attach the ears. Now I am going to make vehicle of Ganesha, that is mouse. Now I am going to make some laddus for Ganesha. I am going to use peppercorn as ice for Ganesha. So I am going to use some stone chain here which I took from my dress, which I don't use now. So you can also reuse some of these stones or chains that you don't use. I'm just going to use some white paint here. You can even use maida here in the place of laddu. You can just mix maida with water, oil and some sugar and you can make a small ball. I'm just going to write Om in one hand. And finally, I am going to add some betel leaves and some flowers. I hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on that ting 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 bell icon. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swathiganesh signing off. Bye bye friends.